Man realizes something is failing. Man is alone in his room. Dim light, phone in hand, face without strength. Man feels body tired, but mind restless. Man tries to work, he can't. Man tries to train, he doesn't want to. Man tries to focus, he gets lost. Man feels sexual fire inside, but that fire is consuming him, not driving him. Man looks in the mirror and asks himself, why do I feel so much energy but so little will? Man does not understand why he is empty if he has so much desire inside. Ape appears and gives bad advice. Man, easy problem. Spend your sexual energy right now. Ape gives him the phone. Look at the forbidden screen. Watch porn. Press button and everything is solved. Ape smiles evilly. Why use sexual energy on real women? Why direct it to goals? Why work or train? Spend it here, fast, effortless. Ape lies. Ape wants man without fire. Ape wants man without ambition. Man almost believes him, but a voice inside says, "This is stealing my strength." Man recognizes that real solutions exist. Man breathes deeply. Man understands the truth. Sexual energy is not the problem. The problem is how man uses it. Man was not wasting energy alone. Man was converting desire into strength, focus, protection, conquest, life. Modern man can do the same. Man discovers secret. Sexual energy is fuel for creation, not destruction. Today, Coach Ereknos gives the real solutions. Man, your sexual energy is your most powerful weapon. If you waste it wrong, you weaken. If you direct it well, you become unstoppable. Rule 1. Don't waste fire on screens. Porn steals focus, steals motivation, steals testosterone, steals libido. It's not pleasure, it's drainage. Every time you use it, you lose. Your brain loses. Rule 2. Save energy for real life. Man who has already spent everything only on fake screen has nothing to give to real woman, nor to give to his own growth. Desire must be directed toward real interaction, not artificial fantasy. Woman will appreciate when man uses focus on her. Rule 3. Transmute desire into discipline. When sexual impulse rises, don't fall into addicted ape. Use primitive rule, desire, movement, productivity. Desire rises, do something, train, work, create, read, go outside, do cold, breathe. Turn desire into action energy. Rule 4. Focus on purpose, not on immediate pleasure. Man without mission wastes energy. Man with mission multiplies it. Sexual game is gasoline for goals. Rule 5. Improve your body, your mind, and your life. More discipline, more sexual energy. More sexual energy, more strength to improve. More strength to improve, more energy for real woman and goals. This feeds itself. Man with sexual control is man with power. Man, don't be slave to your impulses. Sexual energy is fire of creation, not of destruction. Don't give it away to screens. Don't waste it on fantasies. Direct it toward your body, your mission, your real life. Man breathes deeply. Man feels fire inside. Man controls it. Man uses it. Man awakens. Man subscribes.